If you love zucchini, then you are not going to want to miss this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I'm going to be making some zucchini chips in the air fryer. Hubby had went to a restaurant down in Virginia for a dinner meeting, and they had some fried zucchini chips with some aioli sauce, and he said they were absolutely amazing. We do not do fried food here. We try not to at all. I couldn't tell you the last time I had fried food. So I thought I'd go ahead and put some in the air fryer. I know it's not going to get as crispy in the air fryer as it would when you're deep frying it. So I will have the recipe where you can deep fry it, but I'm going to show you my version in the air fryer. You got to just be careful, because if you slice it too thin, it'll burn quickly, or if you use one of those basket air fryers, it'll actually blow around in the air fryer. So it needs to be a little bit thicker, but when you slice it a little bit thicker, the center seems to be a little bit more moist, but it doesn't matter because it still tastes amazing. And this aioli sauce, oh my goodness, top notch. So let me stop talking, go over all the ingredients, and then we'll get started. Alrighty, we have some paprika, some cornstarch, olive oil, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt. I have 2 zucchinis, some Duke's mayo, real lemon juice, some pesto, and some minced garlic. And that is the ingredients for the air fryer zucchini and the aioli sauce. Alrighty, my friends, so I have my mandolin. Always use the guard when you get low, because Mama has cut the side of her finger off before. So I cut the tip off, and I'm just going to go ahead and slice it. I find if I leave it lay flat, I do a better job than when I hold it up. So here they are, and this gives you an idea of how thick they are. Okay. I'm like holding it way off on the camera. Alrighty. So Mama's not doing that this time. Okay. Ooh, there we go. Alrighty, and then I just have my bowl over here. I'm gonna throw these in. I just sliced up one for now. You'll need to do these in batches just because of the air fryer. You don't want to, overlap them. I'm being super careful, I promise. Or you can just slice them if you prefer. Alrighty. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and add in our ingredients. We're going to do a ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, a ½ teaspoon of onion powder, ½ teaspoon of paprika, ¼ teaspoon of pepper, ¼ teaspoon of salt. We're going to add in a tablespoon of cornstarch, or you can use almond flour, and this will give it the crispiness that we need. And 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, and then we're just going to take our tongs here, if I can get them to open up. And we're just going to toss it around and get it coated really, really well. Get them all coated. You want to preheat your air fryer to 375 for about 3 minutes. I just made something in my air fryer, a little quick snack for lunch before I started filming, because I was starving. So my air fryer is pretty hot right now, so I don't really need to preheat it. But you can see all that. Okay, now let's go ahead and put them in. Alrighty, let's go ahead and put our air fryer tray out, and we're going to want to put these in here. You don't want to overlap because they won't get crispy. Alrighty, now we're going to go ahead and put them in. I'm going to put it on 375. And I'm going to put it in for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to check on it. Alrighty, it's been 5 minutes. I'm just going to go ahead and flip these over. Or shake your basket, whichever kind of one you have. Of course, now I can't remember what I flipped and what I haven't flipped. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, I'm going to put that back in and put in for about 5 more minutes, and then we'll check it to see if we need to go any longer. Alrighty, so we have now been in a total of 10 minutes, and they still need to go longer. They're still a little wet. When they're a little bit thicker, oh, that one's falling apart. When they're a little bit thicker, they do take a little bit longer. Alrighty, let's go ahead and put this back in. We'll put it in for about 2 minutes, but on the 1 minute mark, I am definitely going to be looking in there and making sure everything's good. Alrighty, we want that extra 2 minutes. Oh, looks like some of them are done. They're a little bit thinner. Yeah, I'm going to go another extra minute, friends. You just really, really need to watch it, that's all. Okay. So, alrighty, I think, yeah, we are good now. 14 minutes total. Once they're out, and they'll sit out for a few minutes, they'll crisp up a little bit more too. Go ahead and put these on a plate, and then I can do my next batch and also make up our aioli sauce. Alrighty, so I have a ½ cup of mayo in here, and then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of pesto. We're going to add in a teaspoon of granulated garlic, or a ½ teaspoon, excuse me, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. I'm going to do a ¼ teaspoon of salt. And a little bit of pepper to taste. I'm going to go ahead and get this mixed up really well. It smells so good. Now this needs to chill for at least 15 to 20 minutes, which is perfect because I can make up that other tray of zucchini chips. Oh, friends, I wish you could smell this. Smell-o-vision. Oh, it smells so good. Alrighty. Where is my lid for this? Here it is behind me. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the fridge. And then I'm going to take these, add them in the air fryer, cook them up, and then we'll come back and do a taste test. Alright, my friends, here we go. That is 2 zucchini. And I'm going to be honest with you, the second batch, I just put it in for 6 minutes, flipped it, put it in for 6 more minutes. Did not check it because I had done the 12 minutes or 14 minutes prior, so I just did 12. And that quick, they started to burn. So you do need to watch them big time. So some of them are a little bit, they're not as crispy as you can see, but they're still good. Oh my goodness, they're still delicious. Let's try it with some of the aioli sauce. Oh my goodness, friends, this is delicious. Oh. Frying these would definitely be taste, I think, 100 times better, but they are still good in the air fryer. I'm definitely going to be making these again. That way you don't have all that oil, but you know, if you don't mind the fried food. I'm going to take these into hubby, have him taste it, see what he thinks, and I'll put up on the bottom of the screen right here what he thinks, if I did a good job or not. So friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.